Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about splitting your screen in Scrivener. One of the things that's very useful about Scrivener is being able to have two screens of two different documents within the file open at the same time. Yes, because of Scrivener's structure, split screen isn't about splitting one long manuscript into two. It's about showing two elements of anything in the file at once. First off, how do you do this? Well, split screen is accessed on the bar just above the typing page. You can split vertically or horizontally. Just click into each segment and select the document you want to see. If you want to change back, you'll see that one of the icons has changed to full page in both sections. So just click on the icon in the section that you want to remain on your screen. Now, let's get to the fun part. How could you use this? Well, you've already seen that you could have a character sketch up. But what else? You could have a complete reference document open whilst typing your text, so that all those important facts are close at hand. You could have your corkboard page there to refer to, so that you don't miss any plot points. You could do as I do for my Fiction Friday, have your prompts next to your typing page. How about an inspirational image that gets you into the mood for writing? How about a motivational quote? Or a picture of someone telling you to get on with it? Or your writing to-do list for that day? Or a map of where your novel takes place? Or a location picture? The options are endless. So that's it for today. I hope this video about how to use split screen in Scrivener gave you a little inspiration. Let me know in the comments how you might or how you do use this feature. You might want to check out the playlist here for all the other Scrivener videos. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.